Hey everybody, this is Steve Nahuson from Make Me a Home, and I'm coming to you live from Belgium. Jenny and I are here visiting our son and our daughter-in-law and seeing our new little grandson for the very first time, and it's a really special time for us. So very excited to be here. You would have seen that we did finish the house in the previous video called The Push. I'll put the link in this video so you can go and have a look at it. So right now the house is on the market. So the first open house is coming up, and we're expecting a report very soon from our agent. When we actually finished doing the reno project on the Sunday afternoon, the next day Jenny came back with a stylist and filled the house full of beautiful furniture. So I've got some before and after photos, as well as some of the videos from the agent once the house was actually styled. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Steve Nahuson, signing off.